Hi guys, welcome back to Brandy's Circle. If this is your first time stopping by, you're definitely welcome. On this channel you can choose to call me Brandy or Oyinade. Anything that you like works here. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. Today is the first vlog of my moving out vlog. The first part of my moving out vlog. This video will probably come out after probably after the apartment hunt and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, anytime you see it, take it and manage it. So yeah, guys, I don't even know where to start from. I have so many things, and I'm moving into a one bedroom and I don't want to take a lot of things, so I'm going to be giving away a lot of my things. I've been selling things already. My cute dresser that used to be right here, you know, my YouTube background and everything is gone because there's no space. Anyway, right now I'm actually going to Ikea to pick up some things that I ordered. So, you know, there's curbside pickup now because we're in lockdown. So I'm going to Ikea to pick up some things. Oli's going to be picking me up and we'll be going together. Yeah, let's go to Ikea. So I'm currently on my way to Ikea. Sorry, I can't look at you. I have to focus on the road. Yeah. So I ordered some stuff like I mentioned. I'll probably show you what I ordered. I'm not sure if I'll show it in this vlog. Like, I'll show it, but I wouldn't like go into the description and everything in this vlog just because I'm doing an entire like room transformation video and everything, and most of the information will be in the room transformation video anyway. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you when we get to Ikea. I just want to focus on the road because it's a bit busy. So see you later. Hi guys, it's day 2 of moving. I know I didn't show you the things I got from Ikea, but I will. Yesterday was a really stressful day. I want to show you how my room is looking right now so you know that I have been stressed out to say the least. So let's see what my room is looking like. Look at the disaster that's going on here. Just look at this. Such a mess. I hate moving. I actually hate moving. Anyway, I'm moving out my bed today, and the mattress and my table. Those are going out today. I'll leave my work stuff because I might still work from here. Literally taking everything. Look at my pictures. All my clothes are packed. These ones I'm giving away or throwing out, so that's why they're on the floor. Actually, I think I'm throwing them out. They're not good enough to give away. Yeah, so let's go. Guys, oh my god, it's been a hell of a stressful day. Just don't even look at my hair today. My hair today is what we call disaster on demand. Anyway, we already moved out some of the things. Let me show you what they're doing right. So oh, say hi. Did you say hi? Mike, say hi. Okay, so we brought out like my furniture and stuff. So like my mattress, my bed stuff, everything is outside. My pillows. I don't know if you can see me. Hi. My mirror. Yeah, so we're just going to keep bringing things out. We'll keep bringing things out, and the truck here is coming any moment from now. I'm supposed to be heading to my apartment any moment from now as well, but you know, we move. Okay, yeah, that's it. So the truck guy is here, so we're going to be filling things up now. Oh, sorry.
And if you left us.
Lol, we thought the car would be bigger, but it's not. But anyway, let's start putting things in.
Yeah, for sure.
So we'll start with the mattress, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just got home now. Whew. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff on the elevator and I'll be right back. See you soon. Whew. Guys, I'm so tired. Okay, I'll come back with more stuff soon. Oh, did you think you? Oh my god. So Olu and Mike went to get the couch. So we're just doing this, guys. My hair, sorry, it's still cute. See, I put a band now to make it kind of cute, but can't be bothered right now. See you soon. Guys, like, I'm so upset. Oh my god, I'm actually upset. Let me show you guys what happened. So while they were transporting my bed, they scratched it. It's actually terrible. Like, I don't even know. Like, oh my god. Okay, let me just show you. I don't know. Is it in focus? Let me move closer. Can you guys see this? This is literally the front of my bed. This is the headboard. Look how scratched it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Guys, just look at that. Look at this one too. This is the side of the bed. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this. Can you see this? There's just scratches everywhere. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm actually sad.
Yo, false alarm.
Don't believe them. We'll let them go. Guys, we activated the fire alarm whilst they were trying to move the couch. This couch has been the hardest thing to move. Oh my god. Look at the fire alarm. Oh my god. Sorry, Mike. This has been a day. A whole day. I'm tired. Jesus. This has been a very, very frustrating day. Apart from like us activating the fire alarm, it was going on for so long. The firefighters had to come to stop the alarm. I'm tired. Like, this has been a very stressful move, and I hate moving. I hate moving, and I was just saying that from here, like, I straight into my husband's house. Like, there's no moving anywhere again. I'm tired. This was stressful. Yeah. So anyway, I'm about to build my nightstand. Look at me just casually walking around my house looking so cute. No, I'm building my nightstand. Me, I'm a tinker. So I'm about to build my nightstand right now. I'm going to show you guys. I'll show you when I'm done. Actually, I'll probably show you clips while I'm building, and then let's go. So actually, before I build the nightstand, I want to show you guys. Oh my god, look at my apartment. I'm definitely going to post this video after my empty apartment tour, because you guys can't see my apartment without watching that video first. So
this is a rug.
Yeah, it's a rug. So I want to show you guys my rug. It's actually really cute, and this thing was affordable. I think it was like $15 from Ikea. I'm not lying. I'm dead ass.
That's really cute. You put it in the living room,
I was thinking of putting in my bedroom. I'm buying one for the living room, but now I might just not put a rug in my bedroom. But depending.
This is so cute. For $15.
Yeah.
This is so cute. The idea is light, so you can put it in the washing machine.
Yeah, you can wash it. am so tired. Like, I'm tired. It's currently 7 o'clock. No, not 7 o'clock. 6:47 p.m. and we've been at this since. I've personally been at this since about 7:30 a.m. and all of us together have been at this since about 12:30. It's been about 6 hours of just constant moving and everything, but I'm very thankful to all my friends that were able to come out to help. Like, I couldn't have done it without them, even though all the unnecessary problems that happened with the couch, like I showed you guys my bed frame that's now ruined. I'm probably going to check YouTube on how I can probably sand it and paint or something like that. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We go again tomorrow. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so this is day 3 of moving and settling into my apartment. But I haven't like moved, like I'm not sleeping here yet. I'm just setting things up and all. We're supposed to fix my bed today. You guys saw what happened to my bed, like the scratch from yesterday. It really destabilized me, I'm not going to lie. Anyway, we've been here for like an hour, but we've not been able to do anything because I was starving. So there's a restaurant in my building, so I just ordered like it's like jambalaya pasta. So I'm just going to eat that, and after eating then we'll be ready to work. So don't worry, you guys will see the process of like fixing the bed and everything, but first of all, it's food. It's really good. Oh, come and have some. Don't say I didn't offer you some food. Have some food. Cause I don't want to hear Brandy didn't give us food. You can have some. It's really good. Alright guys, let me go eat my food. Look at my fave thing. Shrimp. Let me go eat my food and then I'll see you guys right before we start building the bed and bring you on the journey. Hi guys, I'm so tired. We're almost done with the bed. We're almost done with the bed, so yeah, that's the highlight of today.
Yes.
Hi guys, good morning. I actually can't believe that this is Saturday morning. It's currently 8:57 a.m. and I'm out of my house because I'm moving, right? I haven't spoken to you guys in over a week actually, because my whole of this week that just ended was so hectic, so hectic, like in terms of moving and everything. I have moved quite a lot. Like I'm almost done. Tomorrow is my last day in that house, so I'm almost done. But in terms of like stress level, my stress level is way up here. So today we're going to be installing or hanging my TV. We're going to be hanging my floating shelf, and we're also going to be hanging my mirrors. So I got someone that will do those for me. But the funny part of everything is that my city, the city of Ontario, is actually on a complete lock shut down type thing. And it's crazy because the police is actually allowed to stop you to ask you where you're going to. So like everyone is furious, like how can the police be giving such rights and everything? But at the same time, it's like the rates are crazy in Ontario, Canada. Anyway, God is our strength and we move. So let's go to my house, let's get started for the day, and I'll see you guys later. Literally while my house is getting fixed up, I just had to quickly finish up this wig and straighten it because it has to go out to the customer today. It's so pretty. I love it. Yeah. You guys, my TV is up and it's working. Let me show you what it's looking like. Oh, 1 second, my straightener is acting up. All right, perfect. So let's check out my TV. It's right there. So let me show you guys what it looks like.
Or anything?
No, it's good.
Yeah, okay.
I love it. Woohoo! My TV's on the wall. Jesus.
Are you in trouble?
Ooh, it burns my leg.
Sorry.
I think you know if you wait, then you go different place.
Oh, look at this. Look at everything. So I didn't have the opportunity. Look at this girl. I didn't have the opportunity to unpack as I was bringing things here. So it was just bring and dump because I have work the next day. I'm tired, things like that. I slept on the couch yesterday down. So this is what it's looking like. The kitchen, everything. But by the special grace of God, 80% of this mess should be done with by tonight. Yeah. Whew. So I'm on my way right now to Walmart. So let's go. Let me just close up my blinds and then we'll get going. Put you down here. I'll close up my blinds. Okay. All right, guys, let's go. So now we're currently on our way to Walmart. I'm just trying to get like household supplies like blender, you know, cleaning supplies, detergents, things like that. So hopefully we can get some things because many aisles have been closed at Walmart due to the lockdown. So moving during a lockdown, during a pandemic at all is actually, it's crazy because you don't have the luxury of a lot of things. You can't just walk into stores, see what you like and pick it out. Most of the things you would need to do it has to be online, and now even online shopping is taking so much longer. So like the deliveries and everything. Anyway, we're on our way right now. Hopefully we're going to be able to get everything that we want to get. If not, I'll just order the rest of the things, but it will obviously take longer for me to get them. At this point, there's really not much that can be done to make the situation better. So we just move and see how everything is, and I hope everything turns out great in the name of Jesus. Amen. We still have a dilemma with our couch in our old house because we tried to sell it. I mean, some people have, you know, showed interest, but they're just higgy haga. They're not sure. They don't know if they want it, if they're ready to take it and stuff like that. So, and we're moving out today. Like, we need to have it sold today. Anyway, we'll figure everything out. Hopefully everything goes well. I'll let you guys know how everything goes. Okay, talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm officially moving out of this house. Sorry if I'm echoing, it's because the house is totally empty. Look at my room. Bye house. I'm gonna show you around. Bye house. Totally empty. We moved out. Oh my god. I'm out of here. I'm out. It's been one full year. Olu is so tired. It's been a very stressful day for us both. Yeah. So stressful. that's it. So we're just going to go outside, lock the doors, wait for my landlord, give him the keys, and we're checked out. Hi guys. So I know I'm probably not seeing you in about 2 days. This has been like the most stressful time of my life yet, moving and everything, but something exciting just came. My parcel from H&M home. So yeah, let me open it up. I just want to do the unboxing with you guys. Ooh, ripping this out. I don't even remember what I got. Oh my god, I think this is definitely might be too. Oh, I got a frame. Yeah, I got a frame and a poster. God, please. I hope it'll be able to fit because I have a floating shelf above my bed. You're probably going to see my room tour after this vlog. Yes, guys. I don't want to show you too much, but let me just show you. Oh my god, I think it's too tall. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's like this wooden feel to it. It's so beautiful. I hope it fits. I'm going to check. Yeah, but let's open other things. Let's see my poster. Can't figure out how to open this poster. I don't want to ruin it. I can't shout. Oh, it's so nice. I love their packaging actually. Everything is so nice and secure. Oh my god. It's so pretty. But this poster is too big for this frame. I thought I got a... Oh my god, I got the wrong size of the poster. What? Oh my god. What am I going to do? I think I'm going to have to order something else to go in the frame. The poster is way too big. I have other frames that are meant to go above my couch. I'll see if this will fit. Oh no, I can't believe I made this mistake. Anyway, I'll figure it out for sure. And the last and final thing. Oh my god, I think this is too small. Oh my god, it's like my jewelry, what's it called? Let's see. So it's meant to be a tray for my jewelry. Oh my god, I hope everything I'll fit. Let's see. Oh, I think it's a decent size. It's like, I think it's a decent size tray. Yeah, it's definitely a decent size for sure. I love it. And it was around like $15, so that's fair. There was a bigger one that was, I think that one was 19 or 24 thereabouts. But I was just like, yeah, let me go for the smaller one. It's more affordable and I don't want my room to look too clustered. You guys, I'm so excited for the room tour. Y'all ain't ready. Let me tell you. And let me go out and see how this fits and everything. I'm definitely not taking you into my room. Nobody's seeing my room till the room tour. I was even telling my friends that I'm not going to even sleep there till the room tour. I'll sleep on the couch. Like, I'll crash on the couch. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Let me check this out and then I'll see if it's good. All right. Bye. Hi guys, just realized that I didn't actually, finish the vlog. I didn't sign out of it, so I'm just filming this now while editing the vlog for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. The next video you should see after this should be my room tour. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, you guys have to really share and like and subscribe, just because like I put in so much work to achieve this for you. Even editing, I'm currently on my lunch break from work and I'm editing. Like I'm not even lunching, I'm not breaking. But yeah, it's okay, I'll do anything for you. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.